But that's not the point. What matters is that we're about to have a president who's the corner man for business. Even if he singles out some actors who he thinks are doing the wrong things, he favors higher stock prices, just like Reagan, who famously said he wanted the bears to be in permanent hibernation. Sounds strange, but that matters. We never saw Joe Biden on the floor of the stock exchange, did we? From my dealings with him from the old Kudlow and Cramer days on CNBC, a political and business show, he simply didn't care about the market. Hey, many don't. Given that my whole ethos is about trying to get regular people to be rich via the stock market, I always viewed Biden's view as needlessly antithetical to creating wealth. Would it have been so hard for Biden to come to the New York Stock Exchange and ring the opening bell? Would it have been so hard? I think the answer would have been yes, absolutely it would have been too hard. The legacy of this departing president could have been that he helped create wealth for the huge number of people in this country through their savings, their 401ks, their IRAs, their pensions. The averages certainly demonstrated that. He could have laid claim to it. Tens of millions of people benefited from the market during his tenure. But then Biden would have been able to be true to his assistant attorney general for antitrust, hammering of Apple, hammering Alphabet. He would have been on the other side of the trade from the FTC's endless harassment of Amazon and its recent investigation of Microsoft. More importantly, it might have threatened his self-image as a champion of the working man. Or to put it another way, here's what I heard when I walked on the floor this morning. Stocks went up these last 4 years despite Biden, despite him. If they go up the next 4 years, they will, at least in part, do so because of Trump, if only because he's willing to take the credit.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.